Hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to install Power BI. Before going to do hands-on in the tool, you need this tool to be installed. So you have to go to this link. I will put the website link description in the video description. When you go to this link, you have to click on download. Once you click on download, it will get downloaded in the download folder of your computer, and it will be look like this Power BI desktop setup. Once you double click on Power BI desktop setup file, it will pop up a window. Okay, you have to click on run. Once you click on run, you have to welcome to Power BI desktop. You have to choose the language. I will choose English here. Click on next. It will ask you to allow this app to make changes in your device. You have to click on yes. It is processing at the behind. Let it get processed and then it will install. It will give you a next pop-up window and it will be installing Power BI. This is preparing to install. I will click on next. You have to accept the license agreement. Click on next. This is a by default path of installing Power BI in your C drive. So don't change this. Click on next and then click on install. I will not click on install because I have already installed this application in my computer. I will click on cancel. You have to click on install. Okay. After it get installed in a computer, you have to go to start menu and search for Power BI. Okay, and you have to click on Power BI desktop. It will open Power BI desktop for you. And then you have to click on blank report. Okay, this is the latest version of Power BI which you have got in your computers. And that's it for this video. Um, Thanks for watching this video. We are going to have more videos upcoming where I will train you on Power BI totally. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you.